Biblical fasting in 2025 is going to be the one thing that gets you off of metformin and gets your numbers stable for your next labs. And I'm not just talking about biblical fasting as in removing food or focusing on different time windows when you eat food, but I'm also talking about being in silence. I'm also talking about spending time with the voice of God. And yesterday I was getting out of my car, and my brother and I, we park on this beautiful parking lot here that has a view of the entire city, and then beside us is a view of this gorgeous, like luscious green mountain. And I looked up to this mountain and there was a man walking his dog on it, and we get these incredible waves of wind that just come pouring down from it. And it was the first time stepping out of my car after sitting in traffic and just being hit with this wind and this beauty, and thinking to myself how God only speaks to us in silence. And fasting is about chasing after silence. It's about going out into the wilderness for 40 days like Jesus did. It's about getting off of the TV, getting off of the radio, getting off of the podcast or the audiobook, getting off of the movie, getting off of the video game, getting off of social media, and spending time fasting. And what I know is that this also is so incredible for your health, because it allows your body to become sensitive to insulin. And when you're eating constantly, snacking constantly, and spiking your insulin constantly, and there's all this insulin sitting in your body, and your body doesn't know what to do with it, it produces a miscommunication. And if God speaks to us in silence, then the devil speaks to us when there is a miscommunication, when there is lies, twisted truths, false promises. And when you are constantly snacking and overloading your body, you open yourself up to that vulnerability. When you are constantly scrolling on social media, you open yourself to that vulnerability. When you are constantly distracting yourself with movies and video games and junk food, you are opening yourself up to that vulnerable possibility. So please give fasting a try. If you are on metformin, watch out for low blood sugar. It can happen. But the best thing to do is carry a bottle of honey with you, so that if your blood sugar goes too low, you can always just take a bit of honey and break your fast. I do also recommend that you supplement sugar-free potassium, magnesium, and sodium while fasting. It's not going to kick you out of the fast, and it's going to keep you healthy. It's going to keep your blood vessels and your arteries going, pumping, flowing, and feeling good while you are fasting. Stay hydrated, and you've got this.